enrolling a device into Ctrlytics is simple and seamless. In this demo, we'll be demonstrating the enrollment of DP into Ctrlytics. First and foremost, the device has to be in Apple Business Manager or short name MDM, done by device vendor and of course Ctrlytics, set up and ready to go. Secondly, logging into the Ctrlytics dashboard and register for a device. Quick disclaimer, we've been using a point of sales aka POS account of Ctrlytics to register device. Once the registration is successful, it's time to move on into the device. Now you may proceed the setup as normal, such as choosing the main language and connect to Wi-Fi. Great, we have an MDM profile. This profile will be necessary for later. Let's enroll for now and go to the setup process. We now have a new iPhone ready to go. We can use it as it is, download a few apps, messaging application, and probably a few games too while we at it. What if the owner of the new and shiny iPhone decided that he don't want to pay their bills all the time? Well, the iPhone can be pushed into a lost mode state. The message and the phone number can be customized according to liking via Ctrlytics. Like a message, phone number. Once that's done, the device should enter a lost mode stage. APIs can be provided and this functionality and features about to be discussed on. Back to the lost word. There are a few things you can do at this stage according to the Ctrlytics dashboard. We can go through them one by one. Let's start with editing the lost mode message. The lost mode message can be customized to swap out the message file within the lost mode functionalities. Now, not many may see that right away, so we implemented a ring function to trigger the device. As you can see, the device is ringing, prompting the user to see the message. Okay, how about getting their location? That is possible as well in the Ctrlytics. Let's get this phone location by one click of the button. We can tell which and where the phone is. Well, it looks like it's at Guantanamo. I guess the owner of the phone having fun shopping, but forgotten that paying bills on time is much more important. Now, this last word doesn't have to stay on forever as an option, hence we can disable the last word and drumroll please. The last word is disabled. The Ctrlytics profile also do not have to stay on the device. Once the build commandments are over, we can simply enroll from the Ctrlytics with a simple click. the device user can just perform a factory reset. Voila! No more Ctrlytics profile, and the user can use the device as their own. That is all for this video. As we continue to implement more features into Ctrlytics, we hope that you found the resource described in the video helpful.